Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so happy to be sharing a product release video for April for the Greatest Friend on Earth release. Today we're going to take a closer look at the brand new Superstar 6x6 layering stencil set of 2. Superstar is a 2-piece 6x6 Mylar layering stencil that can be used as individual stencils or combined and layered to create a magical gradient of stars. It is in fact made in the USA. And you can tell with each stencil that they can be layered up with the embossing so that you can get the look you're looking for. So let's go ahead and make a quick card. I have my panel cut down to 4 inches by 5¼ inches. And I have my first one on there, and I'm just going to take some blue glitter paste and I'm just going to go ahead and spread that all over the front of my stencil. Trying to work quickly because this stuff can ruin a stencil if you're not careful. Then I'll clean up my mess. I'll take this to the sink and clean it off as best I can before I move on to the next step. And in the process of cleaning, I'll let this dry for a few minutes. It does dry pretty quickly. Now that it's dry, I can go ahead and take the next stencil and layer right over the top of those other stars. I'll tape this down, and then I'm going to pull out some red paste. So once that's all lined up, which is super easy to do, I'll take my red paste and do the same thing. Just spread that all over. You wouldn't have to use paste. You could ink blend. There's so many different mediums you could probably try out. And then I'll clean that off and let this dry for a minute as well. I went ahead and stamped and colored and die cut all of these images from the Greatest Friend on Earth stamp set, which is a new one with our release as well. Now we're going to go ahead and glue a few of those pieces together, get our lion on his stand, and get our ringmaster all ready to go. And then we're going to cover the back of those images with some foam tape. I'll just slightly put our lion down, peel off the release paper of our ringmaster after I get our lion positioned, and then we're going to glue down our sentiments from this stamp set that say, "No lion, you're the best." I love that. Total pun and play on words. Super cute. And then I do have a red card base, so we will take that same liquid glue and adhere this down to that card base. And once that's on there, that will finish off our fun little card. I'm going to bring in another one and show you with some ink blending on a 5x7 card just how beautifully this stencil looks on a 5x7. And this one's interactive. He kind of moves back and forth a little bit. How fun is that? All right, now let's take a look at a few of the samples made by the rest of our design team. So many great samples using lots of colors and some of the new images and dies from the new release. Now be sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for watching and have a great day.